Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, myself Komal Ganga. I am second year diploma student from Zil Polytechnic. I was done design of cannon using different methods. I was guided Jadhav sir. My group member name is Harshal Jadhav and Komal Ganga. Today's VRC is the design of canal, an artificial canal filled with water and designed for navigation or irrigation land, etc. An artificial watercourse or extremely modified natural canal used for island water transport or the controlled reservation of water for drainage or irrigation. Canal design type: drainage canal design and irrigation canal design. Drainage parameters: the design consideration natural wear according to the type of soil. Velocity of flow in the canal should be vertical. Important terms related to canal design: first is alluvial canal, non-alluvial canal, silt factor, coefficient of regular, mean velocity, vertical velocity ratio (CVR), regime canal, hydraulic mean depth, full supply level, economical section. Alluvial soil: the soil which is formed by the continuous deposition of silt is known as alluvial soil. The river carries heavy charge of silt in rainy season when the river overflows its bank during the flow. The silt particles get deposited on the adjoining areas. Non-alluvial soil: the soil which is formed by the disintegration of rock formation is known as non-alluvial soil. It is formed in the mountainous region of a river. The soil is hard and impermeable in nature. This is not fertile. The river passing through this type of soil has no tendency of change its course. Then we see silt factor. During the investigation works in various canals in alluvial soil, Gregor Leakey established the effect of the silt on the determination of the discharge and the canal section. Particles: very fine silt and particle size is 0.05 and silt factor is 0.04. Fine silt, practical size 0.20, silt factor 0.16. Medium silt, practical size is 2.23 and silt factor is 0.85. Particle coarse silt, particle size is 0.32 and silt factor is 1.00. Coefficient of robustity: the roughness of the canal bed affects the velocity of flow. The roughness is gaseous due to the ripples from on the bed of the canal. Material: earth, value of M 0.0225, machinery 0.02, concrete 0.13 to 0.080. Mean velocity: it is found by observation that the velocity and depth 0.6 d represents the mean velocity v, where d is the depth of water in the canal of river. Vertical velocity: when the velocity of flow is such that there is no silting or scoring action in the canal bed, then that velocity is known as canally according to following expression. V is equal to 0.546, where d is equal to depth of water. Vertical velocity ratio CVR is the ratio of mean velocity v to the vertical velocity is known as vertical velocity ratio. It is denoted by m, that is CVR m is equal to v by v ratio. Regimized canal. When the character of the bed and bank material of the canal are same as that of the transported material, and when the silt charge and silt grade are constant, then the canal is said to be in its rhizma and the canal is called rhizma canal. This ideal condition is not practical possible. Hydraulic means that fully supplies level economical section. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.